Hello friends, now today we will learn how to solve the determinant. Determinants contains a row and column. This is a 2 by 2 determinant. Now look at A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1, A2? This is a row. This is first row, second row. First column, second column. First column A1, B1. Second column A2, B2. Be the column. These are the columns. These are the first column, second column. First row, second row. So in order to, let us suppose that A, which is equal to, into the determinant A1, A2, this is a row, B1, B2. How will you solve this determinant? So you will have to cross this coefficient. So A is equal to, into bracket, A1 into B2 minus times A2 into B1. So you will have to subtract. Now let us take an example. Suppose A is be any determinant whose first row is 2, 3 and 5, 6 suppose. So what is value of A? Now cross multiply here. 2 into 6 minus 5 into 3 into 5. Now look at 6 to the 12 minus 15. So you will have to subtract 15 minus 15 from 12. It become minus 3. So the value of A is equal to minus 3. So therefore A is equal to minus 3. This is a way of determinant. How to solve this determinant? Determinant is very easy. So how to solve this determinant? So we can use this determinant while the solving of Cramer's rule, simultaneous equation for Cramer's rule. The Cramer's rule. Now one more thing is here. Now if suppose B is a determinant, is a minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, minus 5. Now look at, if such a columns and rows are contains so many minus numerics, so how will you solve? So there is a precaution. So B into bracket, so cross multiply. So minus 3 into minus 5 minus times into another bracket minus 2 into minus 7. Now the product of these two, 3 5s are 15 minus is 14. So the subtraction will be the 1. So therefore the value of B is equal to 1. You can solve these types of the determinants. It's a very easy. So we will use this determinant in Cramer's rule. How will you solve this Cramer's rule? We have already seen A1, A2, B1, B2. These are the rows. These are the columns. A1, B1, A2, B2. This is a column. This is a column. You will have to cross this A1 into B2. A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1 and find the value. This is very easy example. Only 2 marks activity. You can easily calculate the value of determinant. This is 2 by 2 order determinants. It's a very easy. You will have to keep, if suppose there be any such a type of negative numbers, then you will have to keep these numbers into the small brackets, so that minus into minus it become plus, sometimes somewhere maybe. So here I have already chosen minus 3 minus 5, minus into minus it become plus 15, plus 15. So like this, there are such types of problems, determinants occurs in Cramer's rules. So we'll see the Cramer's rule in next video.